When the Florida heat is at its peak, your air conditioner is your best friend. At Extreme Temp Air Conditioning and Heating, our Fort Myers technicians hear the same questions every day from homeowners who want to keep their homes cool and comfortable. Wondering why your AC isn't cooling evenly, or if those rising energy bills mean it's time for a new system? You're not alone. Many people ask if their system is the right size, how often to change filters, or what those strange noises mean. Our certified technicians are here to help you understand how your AC works, why regular maintenance matters, and what you can do to improve efficiency. Even if your system isn't brand new, we'll check your entire system, explain everything in plain English, and offer honest recommendations, whether you need a quick repair or it's time to upgrade. And if you have questions about air quality, humidity, or saving money on energy, we've got answers for that too. For trusted service and clear answers, call Extreme Temp at 239-274-5795. Your comfort is our priority.